Hi everyone, a very quick update on something I discovered. I think it probably would be more comfortable for me. It's about brushes holders. I do like Sonia G a wooden holder, but I think it won't be enough for me because I've got so many brushes and I have four sections. So this one is dry, powders, and what else is here? Powders. I use for highlighters, etc. This is wet products like foundation and basically cream products. Then I have bronzers and different sort of mixing brushes for blushes as well. And so those are dry powders, etc. And one is eye brushes. I quite like those because they're quite spatial and they hold well together. The only thing is that the lid is always coming off. This is my third folder, which is broken again. You see here they're not very solid, so I'm just replacing that. So I got this out of here. Those are brushes to go. I might actually use eye brushes for that because that's a bit smaller. It's a bit smaller in terms of the volume. How many brushes it could hold. I think I'm gonna swap them. But what I think is quite nice and functional here. Let me just get this out. Nice and functional is the lid, which is holding well, quite solid. It doesn't feel that flimsy as those. So if they start breaking again, which they will at some point, I think I'm gonna replace with this. So yeah, I'm gonna use these brushes to go. Yeah, much more space now. Much more space. Here we go. And the way it works, it just covers it like that, like a door. Here we go. So I will, they cost £11 on Amazon. They feel quite robust, you know, and it's, it says it rotates, but it doesn't really rotate like easy. It's not really gliding, but that's okay. I don't care. That I like quite a lot because I don't think this will break. You have to be really bad with it to break it. I think the closing door, that sort of concept is much smarter. Here we go. So I think I'm gonna stick to that. That's all I wanted to show you, and I'll put the link to that where I bought it from on not on eBay. I'll put it on description box for you. All right, thanks very much. Bye.